Hi, my name is Shari Pack. I've been taking pictures since I was 11 years old. I would save my babysitting money to buy film and develop my photos. In 2007, Steve Jobs releases the first iPhone and an entirely new world of taking photos opens up. Soon traditional photo labs start closing and I cannot find anyone who can help me with my digital questions and then print quality digital photos. With digital, we can snap as many photos as it takes to get that perfect shot, and we have more photos than we know what to do with. Well, determined to serve others who are experiencing the same frustrations, I started Persnickety Prints. In 2011, I began teaching iPhoneography workshops, from moms capturing everyday moments to corporations throughout the US. I've covered everything from cleaning off that lens to the apps worth downloading. Speaking of cleaning off that lens, sometimes when our phone is in our pocket, purse, and in other places that we may not want to mention, it can get dusty, there can be food in there, it can be foggy. So if your phone's been somewhere weird, I would just, clean off your lens before you snap. There's my first tip. Over the next 6 weeks, I'll be sharing lighting and composition, getting crisp and clear photos and how to do it, my tips and tricks, documenting everyday photos, travel photo tips, and photo organization and backup. Be sure to check your inbox. We can't wait to see what you snap.